Hello, this is Dr. David Billstrom from the International Autoimmune Institute and the Autoimmune Lifestyle. And we're here today for Did You Know? And our clinical topic today is someone who already has breast cancer, how vitamin D can reverse the breast cancer. So you're a nurse practitioner, several years into your specialization in autoimmune medicine, and a lovely lady, 37 years of age, comes into you. She has Hashimoto's, of course, and so she knows she needs to see you. She says, I'm really worried about breast cancer. And you think to yourself, well, of course, because there's immune system dysregulation, so she should be worried about breast cancer. You know about estrogen dominance. You know people can have low vitamin D and all this. But before you really get a chance to start teaching her a few things and listening to more what she has to say, she says, but I'm really worried about my mom because she's been diagnosed with breast cancer just recently. So I'm really worried about my mom. I love her a lot. Well, then you say, well, did you know that vitamin D not only can prevent breast cancer, such as every woman's vitamin D above 60, we'd have 82% less breast cancer, but it's been found, I read a lovely article about this just yesterday, about how vitamin D can help reverse breast cancer when the breast cancer is already there. And this comes from the Anti-Cancer Research 2014 meta-analysis of vitamin D sufficiency for improving survival of patients with breast cancer. So you tell her, here there's a study that women above 30 on their vitamin D have a 50% greater survival than women less than 30. But you also say, but 31, 35 on a vitamin D level is terrible. You're still about 40, 50 points lower than you want to be. So you tell her the study is even more interesting because here is all these stages that cancers, including breast cancer, go through from the start, well differentiated, well behaved, just like the other cells around it, all these stages leading to something really bad. And these stages are called the dynamite stages. Now I love how medicine works, so listen to these words. Dynamite, disjunction, initiation, natural selection, overgrowth, metastasis, involution, and transition. And this study discusses how vitamin D can reverse breast cancer in any of these 7 stages, all the way back to well-differentiated, a well-behaved cell, just like it was originally. Thank you very much. Here we are at Fairy Falls in Yellowstone. Have a lovely day.